In this tutorial, we are going to learn about raw HL7 message. So any message which is coming to the source of the Mirth Connect, which is saved in the variable MSG. So if we are able to edit the variable MSG, we can be able to edit the complete HL7 message in Mirth Connect. This raw concept is very important because you can do numerous number of combinations, edits, and transformation by using raw, which is limited to other HL7 or any specific template. So raw is not a template; it's a complete raw message which is coming. Whether it's HL7 or FHR or anything, if it comes in raw, we can edit by using the variable MSG. Now let's work on this. We'll go to Mirth Connect and we'll work on it. Okay, perfect. Yep. What I'll do, I'll create a new channel over here, 45 raw MSG, and we'll start using this channel for multiple other videos, so it's very important to focus. And I'll go to destination, I'll click edit transformer, add a new step by using JavaScript in raw. It's like amazing, we can do wonders over here. Yep, perfect. So we'll start from very scratch, learning from very basics. When I typed as MSG, automatically it turns into the color, stating that this is the inbound message. So whatever we are receiving from source, it is MSG. Whatever is going to the output, it's MSG. So if we are able to edit this MSG, we can do wonders. I'll do something. I'll click on, I'll type delete, and I'll click on MSG. So I'll type here bit. So it's very simple, right? By this single line, we are able to delete the complete bit segment. So let's try to delete first and see how things are working. So I want to delete my bit segment from my inbound message. I'll go back, I'll save the changes, I'll deploy the channel. So this is my raw MSG, and I want to copy one sample message for editing. So I'm going to use one of the sample messages over here, which has the bit segment, and I'll go back to Mirth Connect. I'll send this message. Okay, perfect. And I hope, yep, it went through and it errored out. We'll see why it has been errored out. Okay, so here we are getting bit is not defined. We'll look into this. Okay, we'll go back to channels. We'll go back to raw message. We'll go back to destination. We'll go back to edit transformer. Perfect. Over here for the bit, you need to give single quote. That's how the MSG will understand. So always try to use the single quotes when you are constructing or deleting any MSH segments. So now this should work perfectly. So I'll make more and more errors for us to understand it in a better way. Perfect. Now I'll go back. I'll save changes. I'll deploy. I'll go to the message and I'll just reprocess the same message. I just don't want to copy things. Perfect. I'll click on search. That's it. From source to destination, the message is sent, and we'll see whether PID is removed. Transformed, encoded, PID is removed successfully from raw. That's how. That symbol is using the raw concept of HL7 message. So now we'll use something else, like I just add it as delete over here for our understanding purpose, and I'll go to transformer, and I want to delete only specific segment. Okay, only specific segment. I'll click delete. Sorry, in specific segment, only specific field. I'll click the same PV1. Okay, PV1, and I'll do one thing. I want to remove like few fields from PV1, starting from PV1 1.1. Okay, what I'll do, see, it's very simple. Once you learn it, you will ace it. I'll click it as PV1. Okay, and I'll copy this, again paste over PV1 1.1. Simple, right? So don't confuse with the word PV1. It's the complete segment name, and this is the first field and it's subfield. So we'll see whether we're able to delete it For our better understanding, we can do few other things also. Rather than doing PID over here, I'll do something like this. I'll remove the starting few values of PID. Okay, I'll do one thing. Yeah, this is amazing. PID point one. Yeah, this looks good, right? So I'm removing the first field of PID, and even I'll try to remove two other fields. Okay. Yeah, we'll make it three other. Nothing wrong. Bit 2, bit 3, bit 4. So we are removing PID 1, 2, 3, 4 over here. We are removing PID 1.1 over here. PV1 1.1 over here. I'll go back. I'll save changes and let's see how things are working. So perfect. I'll go back here and I'll reprocess the message. Reprocess the message. Click OK. Do a search. Amazing. Now we are going to see the raw message which has PID complete segment and P1 all fields. When I click on encoded, you can see PID1 2 has been removed successfully. In the P1 has been removed successfully. Means the code is working absolutely fine. So that's how you can delete a message by using this raw concept of MSG. I can do lot of things over here, but we'll continue to new videos on trying to see how things are working. So before that, I want to delete all the segments and see how funny it is and how easy it is to delete the messages just before ending the session. So this next 5 to 6 videos are very important. So in order to continue in your future HL7 editing of the raw concept, so I'll do one thing. I'll do PID EVN. Even I'll remove what was it? Yeah, P1. I'm going to remove all the segments over here. Save, deploy channel, yes, and double click on it. Reprocess message, click on it. Search, perfect. Raw is nothing but this. In the encoded, see, everything has been deleted. So it is as simple as that. So always try to use raw MSG to edit any HL7, FHR or any type of message. So this is going to be very easy. And even I want to give you a few other samples in deleting this. So I'll do one thing. I'll just comment it out. Control Alt and Control / will do this. And I'll paste one of my code from GitHub repository. So rather than tweaking with this particular variable directly, you can assign another variable over here and you can change this variable by using this delete concept. So it's very easy again. Again, you are going to return the HL7 message and it will work as perfect as thing. So you're deleting the P1 and editing few PID 1 and 2 segments. Yeah, deleting it. I'll go back, I'll save it, I'll deploy it. So I'll be pasting all this in my GitHub repository, not a problem. So you can come back and use it whenever you want it. I'll reprocess the message. I'll search it. Perfect. You can see PID P1 over here and the encoded we have removed P1. That's it. That's very simple. So always try to learn editing the MSG variable and its HL7 like Mirth Connect. It is going to be very easy and we are going to do wonders in next few videos. Thank you.